Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the iPhone style call screen on any Android phone. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android. Now tap the search icon at the bottom right. Use the search bar at the top and search for iPhone call screen or iOS call screen. So you will see several apps like iCall Screen, iOS Phone Dialer or similar. You just need to choose one of the top rated apps, for example iCall Screen Phone Dialer, and tap install. Now wait for the app to download. Once installed, open the app. Okay, tap this arrow icon at the bottom right. Tap again, and here it will ask for permissions like contacts, phone, microphone. Let's do it. Tap set default, choose iCall screen and tap set as default and tap tick at the bottom right. So yes, to fully enable the iPhone style call screen, the app will ask you to set it as your default phone app. Tap set as default and now every time you get a call, it will show the iOS style screen. Inside the app settings, you can also customize things like ringtones, caller screen theme, button style. This way your Android looks just like an iPhone when receiving calls. And that's it. That's how you install the iPhone call screen on any Android device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android customization tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.